Hi boys and girls, it's Mr. Champley, and today is going to be part 3 of our juggling unit, okay? So, it's going to be a little bit different today because I want to get through a couple different things. So, the exercise and stretches I want you to do on your own. I'm not going to do them with you today, alright? But they're going to be 10 jumping jacks, 10 push-ups, and 20 crunches, okay? That's going to be our exercises. Our stretches are going to be our overhead tippy-toe stretch, our tiny circles to the side. Make sure we do our tiny to medium to large. 10 seconds each. Okay? Alright, now, what we're going to get into today, please make sure if you need to pause the video now, do so. You need to find at least 2. This was the black one, I didn't think of that. You need 2 sock balls. Okay? So, go ahead, pause the video. I'll wait. Okay? If you're back, welcome. So you should have your 2 sock balls, alright? Now, I'm going to give you a little bit of a side exercise activity to do, okay? Where you're going to juggle one-handed with 2, okay? Now, this is going to be tough, so we're going to start super simple, super easy first, okay? I want you to have 1 sock ball first, and just easy toss up, catch with the same hand. Okay? You can go as high as you want, but I want you to practice with that. Okay? Whoop. And see, if you drop it, it's okay. Just pick it up, start over. Alright, and I want you to do that for about a minute so you just get warmed up and practice with it. Alright, second one, we're going to move on to 2, okay? So now, this one is going to be a little bit more tricky because we're using one hand to juggle 2 sock balls. Alright? I think you all can do it. Alright? I believe in you. I know you can do it. Alright? Just practice, 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 okay? If you don't get it at the start, that is okay. Not a big deal. Does not matter. I want you to keep practicing it until you do get it, though. Alright? Because it's a lot of fun to do. Alright, now, when you use 2 sock balls with one hand, you kind of have to judge where to put them. Alright? And I always start with the sock closest to my fingertips. Okay, so that would be my pink one right now. So I would toss that one up, and while it's in the air, I'm going to hold my other hand up just so you see it. While it's up in the air, my other softball is going to be thrown up. So when this pink ball starts to fall, this blue one's going to go up, and the pink one's going to drop, and then I catch the pink softball. Okay, but you continuously do it. All right. I, myself, am not super good at this. I still have a lot of practice to do, okay? So, if you mess up, like I will, not a big deal, okay? Practice, 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 all right? I'm getting better. So, you just need to practice, and you will be better too, I promise, okay? So, we are going to do 1 minute to see how many catches we get in a row with this, all right? It's going to be super easy, super simple, all right? I want you to practice the first time, do 1 minute. Practice, see how many you get in a row, and then the second time I want you to do 1 minute and see how many you get in a row, and that is the score I want you to remember, okay? So, I'm going to do my score one. So, I'm going to get my timer ready. Okay, ready? Go. 1, 1. And it's hard. It is. 4, 2, 1, 2. Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I went up to 8. 1, 2, 3. Oh! 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Ah! Get up to 8 again. 1. I'm not doing very good. 1, 2. Oh, I'm messing up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Ah! 1, 2. Yeah, it's time. I only got 8. Okay? So, not a big deal. Alright? So, what we're going to do after you do this, okay, this is going to be the next step. All right, I want you to keep practicing that with with a one-handed 2 sock balls, okay? Now, the final part, since this is part 3, we are going to add 1 more sock ball. See it? It's a little dark. Okay? This one is very, very difficult. Okay, but that is okay. Some things are very hard, and that's okay. I want you to try your best to see if you can do it, okay? So, what you do, this is the form that I use every single time. All right, I want you to have your writing hand first. Who has their writing hand ready? Make sure you do. This is my right hand. It may not look like it, but it is my right hand, okay? So, my writing hand is the hand I'm going to have 2 sock balls in, okay? I'll move that over so you can see it. All right? My opposite hand is going to have 1 sock ball. All right? So, when you do this, I'm going to go step by step to make this very slow, very simple, okay? Try my best to, okay? So, what we're going to do, we are going to toss our closest sock ball to our fingertips, all right? And we're going to toss that one up first. All right. Now, while that one's up in the air, so let's say toss it up. Don't catch it with the other hand, but toss it up. It's going to be up here in the sky. All right. While this one's going, you're going to be tossing your opposite hand, not your writing hand, your opposite hand that has 1 sock ball, and you're going to toss that one up too. So there's going to be 2 sock balls in the air. Okay. This is why I said it's very tough. All right. There are going to be 2 sock balls in the air at a time. So this one's still floating. This one's still floating. So you should have 1 sock ball in your writing hand only. Okay? So, while these 2 are, the blue one should already be on the descent. So you should almost be catching it while this one's still up in the air fresh. Now, while this one is up, you're going to throw your pink one up to the other side as well. And while the pink one's going up, the dark sock ball should be going down into my hand. And it just keeps going from there, okay? That's 1 full swing, all right? That is 1 full swing. So, I'm going to show it one time so everybody can see it, okay? I'm going to go nice and easy. Try to, at least. There is a certain speed at which you have to do this, okay? It is very tough, but that is okay, all right? So, follow along nice and easy, okay? Boom, 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 all right? So it's boom, 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 boom. I always do that in my head. I keep that time like boom, 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 boom. Okay, so boom, 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 boom. Ah! And see, I even mess up sometimes. That's okay. All right. So each boom should be a throw or a catch. All right. So boom, boom, boom. Ah! See, I messed up. I got caught on my finger. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Now, I want you to practice this at home, okay? So sooner or later, you can go continuous. I want that to be the overall goal, where everybody reaches that, where they can do 3 and just keep going, like all those circus jugglers. Have you ever seen those? Those are crazy to watch, okay? But I want you to try and do that. So you just keep on going, all right? All right, boys and girls, I'll see you all later. Bye.